Looking for a smart and efficient home? Hi, I'm Grace and welcome to this semi-detached home. A 1.5-story house with a dormer offering 114 square meters of living space.
This semi-detached house, built in modern timber frame construction, was completed in 2019 and is located near Augsburg.
The entry hall leads directly to the heart of the home. An open living and dining area with direct access to the terrace.
The property includes an insulated 3x9 meter garage, offering space for one car plus additional storage. A 6,000-liter rainwater cistern supplies water for the washing machine and toilets, reducing drinking water consumption and minimizing limescale buildup.
On the left side is the kitchen. Ready for a cup of coffee? A guest bathroom and a separate utility room for storage.
The stair lift can be removed free of charge.
The gallery with its dormer brings in beautiful natural light. Upstairs, all rooms are connected by the central hallway.
The attic provides generous storage space and is accessible via a pull-down ladder.
And here we're at the quiet master's bedroom with 2 roof windows. There's a space for kids. Office or guest room.
The house is heated by a highly efficient ground source heat pump. In addition, a central ventilation system with heat recovery ensures a comfortable indoor climate.
And the main bathroom includes a bathtub.